Hi guys, my name is Alessia and on this channel we discuss tips and tricks on how to find foreign girls, European, American, Russian and Australian. It doesn't matter who you are looking for, you'll definitely succeed and I will help you. Chats can be analyzed forever. Each one is unique. Today's theme is importance of preparation. Being prepared for a chat is half the battle. If you are interested in this topic, support my vlog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. So let's go. The first chat, here's a good tip. Get ready before you write her. In my video on how to chat with a girl, I've told you it's important to study her profile. For example, hit likes. Maybe, like here, a girl will then go on your profile and hit like in response. You're already getting a little closer, the rest is up to you. Hello, thanks for the like, it's nice that you paid attention to me. Hi, I'm also glad you've appreciated my photos. Almost everyone. You're a photogenic, pretty girl, I couldn't stop looking at your photos. What are you doing? I'm lying on the beach, sunbathing. Whoa, I also would love to. Will there be beach photos? Sure. You're one of a kind. Let's meet sometime. Not on the beach, although I would love to, but maybe for a walk. I don't mind. The guy reacted to this girl's like, complimented her and got down to action. I'll give you a tip. If a girl hit likes, then she definitely noticed you. You can safely start a chat because you've already taken the first step towards each other. The second chat, game style. There'll be no standard compliments or vulgar jokes. This is something new. Let's have a look. Hi, let's play a game. Sounds like the Saw movie. Should I be afraid? No, let's ask each other questions and answer only the truth. I don't even know you. So much the better. I won't tell anyone. I'll start. In what position do you fall asleep? On the left side? Who do you fall asleep with? With the toy dog? It's good that you won't tell anyone. See, this is interesting. Favorite drink? Orange juice? I have an idea. Let's meet and play truth or dare. You're gambling. What will this end up with? I hope to a date bye. Okay, I'm in. Try this. Ask personal questions in a form of a game. Get to know her more. But only gambling girls like such games. If she agreed, it means she loves adventure and risk. Don't forget, if you've started the game, go through with it. And do not be afraid to lose. This happens sometimes. Learn a lesson from each game. Do you think many girls would agree to play like that? I think yes, if guy on the picture is cute. So, I'll finish at this point. How do you like these examples? Share your impressions under the video. Also, send me your chats for anonymous analysis. I'll tell you which parts were cool and give you some notes on what to improve. Subscribe, hit like, hit the bell if you haven't already. Bye bye!